No, hell no.
Turn in right on Churchill. Right on Churchill. Left on Division.
A Fort Smith, Arkansas biker has just taken off after a state trooper tried to pull him over for expired tags.
They're coming up to Midland.
He signals left. And now it looks like he's going to turn right.
Right on Midland.
And is then hit from behind.
Correction, straight on Midland. I bumped him in the intersection. He got through it. All right, coming up to 6.
He runs the stop sign and is now starting to lose control around the turn. And into the ditch he goes.
All right, he's in the ditch, and he again passing on a pig. Heading towards downtown, slowing down.
Again, the trooper hits him from behind, and onto the sidewalk he goes.
Crossing North 6, from north end north.
The biker slams on his brakes and is now trying to lose the trooper through some back streets.
West on North 7, turning North O, headed back towards Midland.
Back on this.
No traffic, no pedestrians. Speed 60. We're coming right in front of the police department. All right, behind the jail. On Cornell. Headed back to Wheeler. We're in a parking lot here.
Around the jail he goes. And then he's nearly hit from behind again.
Still behind the jail. Going in circles in a parking lot. Headed back towards Wheeler.
Until finally he breaks out of the jail. Parking lot, that is. And he's now back on the road, going the wrong way.
All right, we're on Wheeler southbound. Passing South B-Boy. All right, notify Oklahoma. We're right on 0.
The biker is now making a run for the border. The state line into Oklahoma is just up ahead.
We're headed to Oklahoma. Past state line.
He's now out of their jurisdiction. And then, wouldn't you know it, the biker makes a U-turn and heads back into Arkansas.
All right, we turned around. We're headed back to Fort Smith.
Here I'm calling. We're northbound on Wheeler. I'm at 110.
There's now several Arkansas state troopers involved in the pursuit.
I'm right in front of y'all.
The bike is now heading towards downtown Fort Smith. The trooper tries to cut him off. But he's somehow able to squeeze through.
Red light.
10 Fort Smith, I'm secondary now. 7's got the lead.
The biker nearly collides with the pickup.
That's north J. John. Speeds 100, no traffic. No one's walking.
He's now got a bit of a lead on the two troopers when suddenly he loses control.
He wrecked it out in the curb. He's trying to pick it back up. 7 blocked me in. I'm coming in behind you.
He tries to get away, and down he goes.
Get out, hey, get down. Who the you think you're running from?
He's placed under arrest.
Oh, because of that? Because of that?
And turns out he apparently fled, all because of a bag of weed.
How did I do that? I throw that on the ground and stomp on it.
It's 7:12 a.m. and an Arkansas state trooper is on patrol when suddenly this speeding motorcycle with no plate goes flying past at over 130 miles an hour. The trooper gives chase. He finally catches up, but stopping him, well, that's another matter.
66, you up with it?
Yeah, 10-4, he's right here on me. Right here on him. 37 is going over. Help me out.
It sounds like a second trooper is now being dispatched to help in the pursuit.
37, don't try to break your neck getting up there. He's able to stay with him.
We're
flat counting down speed about 130. Traffic still heavy, he's still weaving another traffic.
The trooper's able to keep up with the bike, but for how long? That's the big question.
67 to 5, I think this is the same bike I chased a few months back. 1040, you know who it is? I don't. The tags are conditioned last time. He's taking tags off now.